Did you know? Almost 90% of the world's population lives in the northern hemisphere. And that half of all Earthlings reside north of 27 degrees N. Or that the average human lives at 24 degrees from the equator, either to its north or south. Population-wise, the Earth is indeed visibly, massively tilted towards the north. How much less crowded would the planet be if the northern hemisphere were as populous as the southern one? If the above-mentioned north-south distribution is correct, only 10% living in the south, the grand total would be 1.4 billion. The only exception to the South's underpopulation seems to be a massive spike just below the equator. Considering that habitable zones in theory should be equidistant from the equator, it's even more shocking how much more people live north of that line. Granted, there is more land. The European latitudes seem remarkably unpopulated relative to the ones just to its south. Those spikes are not caused by Africa's northern shores, Cairo, and by extension Egypt accepted, but by the big population centers on the Indian subcontinent and in China. And by the combined weight of the US and Mexican populations.